What's going on, guys? Eric here from Dose VT. Happy to bring you another video. So as you can kind of see by the box, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So with Apple's new line of phones this year, they have the iPhone 14, 14 Plus, then they have the iPhone 14 Pro, then the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So basically nothing has really changed with the phones, obviously, besides the upgrades Apple does every year. The biggest design change is obviously this notch up here. Instead of having like the cutout up top, now it's kind of like a pill shaped, I would say. So that's the biggest difference, outside of the phone being slightly better battery life, slightly better brightness, and all the smaller things. So basically, this is just an unboxing just to show you that the phone is basically the same. So nothing special with it. I'm just going to open it up here. You still have your 3 cameras here. So 1, 2, 3. Obviously it's still in the back. I have already technically taken the phone out of the box and set it up. So we'll put the phone off to the side. Then you got all your paperwork again. And then of course it doesn't come with the charging brick because Apple's trying to make more money off of you. It just comes with a USB-C to Lightning, which unfortunately we're still using Lightning. I wish they would switch to USB Type-C to make it easier, especially with their new MacBooks. Now with the phone, we're still looking at the back here to the side. Still have your volume buttons, still have your noise, so silent or activated for any noises you want your iPhone to make. And then your power button, nothing on top. Then obviously your speakers and your Lightning port, if you can see that. I don't know if it's coming in okay or not, but so just peeling this back, like I said, I've already set it up. This is basically what it looks like set up. Nothing too special is going on here. That's what it looks like. Unlocking the phone, if it sees my face. So unlocking the phone, basically everything is pretty much the same. Go through apps right here. Yes, I have a lot of apps on my phone. Yes, I use just about all of them. But, I mean, nothing special going on here, guys. That is crazy with this phone compared to the 13 or even the 12, to be honest. I'm upgrading from the 12 to the 14, and honestly, there's not that big of a difference besides what is going on up here. Like, for example, if I put the ringer on, it gives a new animation. Then it gives a different animation when you put it on silent. So like literally nothing special is going on at all. But this is just to show you guys that the phone is basically the same. Apple's still ripping you off when not giving you the charging brick to make the phone charge faster, because now they don't really sell the 5 watts anymore. They're trying to get you into the 10, the 20, and the 30. So basically, if you get the new phone and for whatever reason your charger for your previous phone sucked, just know that you're going to have to go out and buy a charging brick. Preferably, I would tell you to buy one from Apple. This isn't anything involving like more money. I'm not getting kickback or anything like that. I'm just saying it's just better to use the Apple charging brick. You can use any other charging brick, but I just recommend people just use Apple because it'll definitely work, obviously, very well, and you won't have any issues with it charging and decharging the battery and all that jazz over its lifetime. I mean, yes, it is more expensive. You could find one for $10 on Amazon, but when you pay so much for a phone, it makes sense to probably use the thing that Apple offers that charges your phone, and they know it's going to work well because it goes through testing and stuff. But that's all I got, guys. If you got any other questions about it, is it worth it, is it not worth it, just let me know down in the comments and I'll answer to the best of my ability. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.